Welcome or welcome back to the channel. Now I know you must have noticed the change, the rebranding of the channel.
Huh? Huh?
We are now called Airdrop O'Clock. Um yeah, clap, yeah, thank you. So of course we primarily focus on cryptocurrency airdrops, and also we're going to be talking about like crypto news and just like maybe trading strategies and other stuff on this particular channel. I felt like a name change was needed, right? It should really convey the reason why this channel exists. With just one glance, you should understand exactly what this channel is all about. And yeah, I think we did a great job. Even the logo, I created that logo in just one night. Really cool. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just get straight into today's video. So today we're going to be talking about the Startower wallet, right? Startower chain, and exactly how to position yourself for this airdrop. And at the end of the video, I'm also going to be sharing with you guys exactly what the price prediction is going to be, because we already have a price prediction from a dev, right? Either a dev or an admin. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get straight into my phone screen so I show you exactly how to get everything done. Alright guys, so you can actually go over to our Telegram channel right now, down below in the description, or at least use the link down below, right? But for this particular tutorial, I'm going to our Telegram channel. It's called Airdrop O'Clock right now, and the latest drop I made here, which is on March 28th, I'm talking about this particular Startower, right? You can see I dropped the steps as well. You have to register, download the application, click no wallet, create a wallet, click Startower logo, log in, click open to start earning Startower, and that is just basically what you do, right? You must not even create a wallet before you start earning, and I'm going to share with you guys exactly how to do this step by step in today's video. You can see they've actually raised over 50 million. $50 million with a valuation of over $300 million. So this is actually a huge project, and that you would not like to miss. Okay, and like I said at the end of the video as well, I'm going to be dropping exactly what the price prediction is for this particular project and how much you can expect to earn. It's huge. That's just a tip. It's huge, right? So let's get straight to it. Just click on this claim here. If you use the link, it should automatically fill in the referral code that comes with the link. Alright guys, so it actually brings us over to this particular page. You can see the referral code area is already imputed. Just use the link, it will automatically be imputed, right? So what we want to do right now is to add our email address over here, and then let's just put our password and everything before we send verification code, so we can actually continue with it, right? So the password, let's just put the password. And so we are done with that, right? Now, once when I clicked on that verification code, it sent me to this place where it says enter verification code, and I must put this captcha first before they send me the verification code, right? So I'm just gonna put the captcha right now, 1HMB, I believe that's what that is. And yeah, they've sent the verification code, and now it's just a waiting game. Alright guys, so we've actually gotten our verification code. This is it over here, and all we have to do right now is just click on register immediately. Okay, and it's saying we repeated the operation because I clicked it before and it was giving me some kind of network issues, but I believe this account's already registered, right? So once you're done with this stuff, now the next thing you want to do over here is to click on download app. You can see it at the bottom right corner of the screen. Just click on this download app, and once you do that, it's going to send you to this place where is it Android you're using. So you can actually download it from the Google Play Store, or is it iOS, is it Apple, whatever, and you can download it from the iOS App Store as well. So I'm just going to click on the Google Play Store because I'm using an Android device, and so it's going to redirect me to Google Play Store, and this is their application right now. So I'm just going to simply download this application and then log in, and then continue to show you guys exactly how to do this stuff. Alright guys, so we now have the application on our mobile device. You can see it's here. Once I click on it, you're going to see that we can actually create a wallet here. This is a functioning wallet on the mainnet, where you can actually receive, send Bitcoin, Ethereum, all that, the normal stuff, right? You can create a wallet, or you can import your wallet if you already had one. So if you click on no wallet, it's going to ask you to create a wallet. You can click on this identity wallet, and then you put your identity wallet name. It can be anything. You put your wallet password. You create a password for it, confirm the password, and then this prompt information is optional. Then click on this, and then click on create wallet. So it's that simple. You can create a wallet here, but this is literally not the reason why we are here, right? But to be safe, just create the wallet so you know that that is off your neck, right? It could be some kind of eligibility criteria or whatever. But yeah, let's just continue, right? So the next thing you want to do right now is to come to this center place, this place that has this S symbol. Go over there, and you're going to see where it says login. The information you use to register the other, at the other web page, you're going to use them to log in at this particular web page right now, right? So I'm just going to quickly log in. All right, guys. So we've actually logged into to our account right now, and yeah, we actually ran into a bit of a unique issue that led me to use a VPN, right? Because remember, I already have an account, and I'm showing you guys exactly how to create an account on this particular application, this site. But because I already have an account, my IP address connecting to my router is already registered, right? So it was difficult. It was not even possible. It was not allowing me create the account, and so I was able to use a VPN to create it. So in case you're having that issue of IP, whatever, use the VPN, right, and you'll be good to go. So basically, we are in the account right now, and all we have to do basically every single day is to click on this open over here, and it will be kind of mining for us, right? Just like giving us some points every single day that we can actually redeem over here. Okay, so once we click on that, it should be working in the background, and then we come over here. This particular star is what we're earning. This STR is basically what we're earning over here. So it's very straightforward and very simple. Basically use your internet speed, your speed and other stuff to give you points, or should I say to give you tokens that you can actually withdraw later, right? So basically, just click on that open every single day. Every single day, I believe you're going to be earning around 30 to 50 star points. You can see it over here. And if you invite people as well, you can earn more. You can see this is my device information, my operating system, all that stuff. Um, and yeah, this is how you actually do it, right? So the next thing you want to do right now is to refer friends. You can come down here to where it says referral link, and this is your referral link, right? The last digits after the last alphanumeric figure after the equality sign, you can see it over here, is your referral code, right? Invite your friends, or either invite your friends and let them manually put the referral code for you, so you can actually both earn from the collab, or you can actually just send them the link directly, right? And once you send them the link directly, to automatically fill in that particular referral code place, and then you earn and they earn as well, right? This is just basically it. Just come over here, and you just come over here, click on this open, and every single day you're going to be earning some things. The reason why you're not saying anything yet is because I'm just opening it for today. Later on, you're going to see notice that here is going to increase, and at the end of the day, it's going to transfer from this place over to this place, right? So this is how it works. So now the last but not least thing I believe you should be doing is to come over here, right, on their X account, which is just Startower. Just search for Startower on X. You're going to see different passwords, right, that you can use to earn some free points for yourself, right? If you have the time, go over to the X, follow them on X, and then just come over here and input the password, and then, there you go. This is basically how to farm the Startower start chain airdrop. Is very simple, very straightforward. Simply come over here every single day, click on a button, and register your presence and all that stuff, and this is basically how you earn, right? So according to, like I told you guys, I promised you guys that at the end of the video I'm going to be sharing with you guys the price prediction for this stuff, right? So let's just go straight to it. Okay, so like I promised, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the price prediction for this particular stuff. We are actually on our Telegram channel right now. You guys can actually see that according to Star Tower themselves, over 1000 stars is going to be worth about one SAVW token, right? And one SAVW token is what is going to is predicted to worth around $50 to over $75, right? So just if every single day you're earning 50 stars, that 50 star tokens, just like I showed you guys, 50 or 60, whatever. I'm using 50 as an example right now because I think that's the average everybody's earning. So if you're earning 50 every single day, that means in just about 20 days you're going to be earning over 1000, which is about $50, right, for just 20 days of you clicking on your button, right? Now this is completely free. This is when you don't even use any referral, whatever. You don't even add anybody, because the more people you refer, the more people you add on board, the more mining speed you're going to be getting. So you're going to be getting more than 50 every single day, as long as you refer people, as long as you participate in all those like password I showed you guys how to do, go to the X, participate in all that stuff. right? Let's just use the worst case scenario. That's 20 days for $50, which is not bad at all. That's less than a month. You're already, like, if you're a Nigerian, you're already earning about 70,000 naira thereabout in less than a month, like almost 100,000 for doing nothing but clicking, right? Imagine doing it on several devices with VPN and all that stuff. The possibilities are just mind blowing. So this is basically what I have for you guys. You can see it over here. 1,000 stars equals to one SAVW, and yeah, the listing plan is one SAVW $50 to $75. So it's a very nice project. Not a lot of people are talking about it. It's not yet saturated. So jump in right now that you have the time. Sorry, that you have the alpha, right? Airdrop o'clock here. Bring you guys the best airdrops, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys very soon.